Jason Couto here with Couto Construction, wanting to answer some of the most commonly asked questions that we get. That question is, how long will my roof last? The statistic is 1 out of every 10 roofs will pass a manufacturer's specifications, and the question I get asked is why? The majority of the time, it's really installation errors. Matter of fact, in this project that we have right here behind us, if we don't replace the roof decking that needs to be replaced, then you don't have a solid substrate to be able to nail to, and that alone does not pass manufacturer specifications. Other reasons are not having proper ventilation, not flashing correctly, and ultimately not having the proper products in the proper places. So to sum it up and answer the question, how long will your roof last? Well, if it's installed by a manufacturer certified installer like Couto Construction, who's platinum certified, and the installation techniques are followed appropriately, as well as using the proper material, well, you get a manufacturer back warranty for 50 years. So if you're not sure who to contact, give us a call. Couto Construction, as always, when it comes to roofing, our family's got yours covered.